Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for a position on the Seek Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the job search button to search for a job offer, or go to the My Activities section and select a saved job offer that you would like to apply for. Tap on Quick Apply, that's a button down below, and then you should upload documents for this application. You can upload your resume. Tap on the Upload button and tap on a document that you want to upload. It might take a few seconds, however it's not necessary, so you can tap on the Don't Include a Resume button if you don't want to include your CV. That's the same with the cover letter. You can either upload it or not. As you scroll down, click on the Continue button and you have to answer a few questions, such as how many years experience do you have with this field, which of the following statements best describe your right to work in Australia, which of the following statements best describes your COVID-19 vaccination status, how many years of business management experience do you have. Tap on the right answer. How many years of people management experience do you have a current police check, national police certificate for employment? And after that, click on the button Continue. Add your career history, education, licenses, certifications, skills, and language skills. Then click on Continue. Here you can find your personal details, documents included, employer questions, and your Seek profile is also attached. Tap on Submit Application if you are done with all these steps and would like to finish your application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.